friends, welcome to the video. In this video, we are going to learn about India and its border with our neighboring countries. By the end of video, we will learn about with how many countries we share our borders, history behind their name and current geopolitical status. So let's start. If we talk about land border, India shares borders with 7 countries. We share 15,105 km long land border with various countries. Along with this land border, India has a long coastline of 7,516 km touching Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. If we look at the map of India, it is protected by Himalayas in north. In west, it is protected by desert boundary with Pakistan like Thar Desert and Rann of Kutch. In east by riverine and delta boundaries with Bangladesh and Myanmar. And in South India, it is surrounded by ocean, giving it a maritime strategic depth. So it's feel like God itself look after protection of Indian land. So it is very important to learn about these boundaries because if we want to understand economic and geopolitical problem or strength which India is facing, it is also very important because these geographical location decide our foreign policy, defense expenditure and manpower deployment or requirement. We will start with the most interesting and aggressive country toward India, which is Pakistan. India shares a total of 3,320 km long international land border with Pakistan. It is important to note that these figures are official figures accepted and released by Ministry of Home Affairs and official map released by Ministry of Home Affairs. It includes those areas also which India have a claim to but doesn't have control on these areas. This border starts from Gujarat and move along Rajasthan, Punjab, Jammu and Kashmir till Ladakh. Please note that India's border carry different name because each one come from a specific historical event, person or agreement. These names are not random. They make the legacies of colonial decisions, war and treaties that shaped the subcontinent. Out of these names, India-Pakistan border is most interesting as it will be called Radcliffe Line, Line of Control or International Border, depend upon which area of border we are talking upon. So, the Radcliffe Line for example is the name of border drawn in 1947 at the time of partition. It is called so because it was demarcated by Sir Cyril Radcliffe, a British lawyer who had never visited India before. In just 5 weeks, he divided Punjab and Bengal into India and Pakistan. This line became the international border and is remembered as a symbol of hurried partition, massive migration and bloodshed. After independence, the first India-Pakistan war in 1947-48 created another boundary and it is called Line of Control, LOC. It is important to note that this is not an agreed border but a ceasefire line which is later formalized in 1972 under the Simla Agreement. It is called Line of Control because it marks the territory under each country's control, not sovereignty. It is divided Indian administrated Jammu and Kashmir from Pakistan occupied Kashmir and remain one of the most militarized border in the world.